Hey, Algebra 2 Trig. I just wanted to touch base with you guys and say, first of all, and most importantly, I hope you are safe and you're healthy. Same with all of your family and friends. I hope this video finds you well. We are about to start e-learning, and the first thing I wanted to let you know is we have to be very flexible with one another because these are very new challenges that we are experiencing, and I would like you to know that I am planning on making this as easy to manage as I can for you guys. So I will be sending you an assignment every day, and you are supposed to complete some notes and a couple of questions from your goal packet. And beyond that, we're going to have quizzes. And yes, I am going to encourage you to work with your team. We would have been working together as a team if we were still in school. So do it through a group chat or text each other pictures and ask each other questions. So absolutely keep doing that. I am probably going to eliminate one of the units. We are probably going to skip probability. When you get to discrete finite, there is a probability unit in that course anyway. I might simply post a few videos at the end of the semester of the most important parts of probability, just so you have an idea of what's going on. Starting on Tuesday, the 31st, the first thing you're going to do is submit questions 1 through 29 from your goal packet for me. The reason why is this should already be done. This is for the first quiz, which many of you have already taken. On Wednesday, you guys are going to take that first quiz. Now, those of you that have already done so, yes, I will allow you to retake that first quiz. And if you do better than how you did before we left, then I will give you the higher score. So yes, you can retake quiz 1. And then you're just going to be taking some notes on the unit circle for the next couple of days. You will have more information as it comes. A few questions that people have asked me. How do we ask questions? Send me an email, send me a message on Instagram. If it's a really easy question, I'll just try to answer it by text. If it requires a video or a face-to-face conversation, we can try to set that up through Zoom or something. Another question is people want to know if I'm going to have class Zooms. Most likely not. And the reason why is a lot of what you guys are doing is self-guided. I mean, some of you guys are already done with 2 weeks worth of work because I posted it early and some of you were bored and you got done with 2 weeks of work already, which good for you. That means you have less to do on a daily basis while you're doing things for all of your classes. So I'm probably not going to, and the reason why is I did a Zoom with 15 teachers the other day, and it's just difficult to manage and who's talking and when do I get to talk. And well, if you really want, what we can probably do is set up like a Zoom with your group if a few of you guys have questions when you're reviewing for something, and we can try to set something up like that. But I really wasn't planning, unless all of you guys hound me to do one, then we can try to do one. Somebody else asked me, what if I don't do anything? Well, to be honest with you, you have requirements to participate in e-learning. And if you don't, you, I think, end up with like an incomplete. But I'm not 100% sure about that. Again, everything is changing by the day. There's new rules. My first rule is that I had to grade something every day. And now I only have to grade a couple times a week. And it's different, so we have to be flexible with one another. If you guys have any questions, do not hesitate to ask. Again, I want to make this as a positive an experience for you guys as I possibly can. So that's why I will only be requiring you to maybe show me proof of your notes and just a couple of questions per day. Would you like all of the extra practice is still going to be there for you. So if you would like to do more than what I ask, that is fine. Remember, a lot of what Algebra 2 Trig covers is what you guys are going to be doing in pre-calc next year. So make sure you're trying your best. And if you have any questions or whatever, if you're worried, just let me know. I've had conversations on the phone with a few students already. I've had a few Zooms. I've done a few Instagram video chats, whatever. Like, if you guys need to talk, let me know. We'll talk. We can talk about things. It'll be fine. But at this moment, like I said, we're about to jump into something brand new. So just try your best. I understand there are things that are much more important going on right now. But try to make sure that you're taking care of yourself. Try to get some work done for your classes. Remember, this is, you're going to need some of this stuff for your future classes. Again, Algebra 2 Trig in pre-calc, a lot of this stuff is coming back again. And it requires you to understand a lot of the stuff that you're doing now. And again, work with one another. I encourage you to do so. Take quizzes together in your teams and check each other's work and check your homework answers before you submit, stuff like that, and you will be okay. So anyway, for now, this is Longo and I'm out. See you, bye.